a pair of linear equations in two variables. Let us understand it with the help of example. Solve 3 upon x minus 1 upon y is equal to minus 9 and 2 upon x plus 3 upon y is equal to 5, where x is not equal to 0, y is not equal to 0. Solution. Placing 1 upon x is equal to u and 1 upon y is equal to v in the given equations, we get 3u minus v is equal to minus 9. Call this equation 1. 2u plus 3v is equal to 5. Call this equation 2. Let us eliminate v from equations 1 and 2. 3 into 3, 9u minus 3v is equal to minus 27. 4 into 1, 2u plus 3v is equal to 5 plus 11u is equal to minus 22. U is equal to minus 2. Substitute u is equal to minus 2 in equation 1. 3 of minus 2 minus v is equal to minus 9. Minus 6 plus 9 is equal to v. V is equal to 3. U is equal to minus 2. 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. X is equal to minus 1 upon 2. V is equal to 3. 1 upon y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 1 upon 3. Thus, solution of the given system of equation is x is equal to minus 1 upon 2. Y is equal to 1 upon 3.